welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be rating slimes. And by the way, guys, I haven't played with slimes in I don't know, a few months, so I'm a bit of a noob now. But yeah, so let's get straight on to the video. So the first slime that I have is dragon fruit slime. It's in this really cute container. And yeah, it's actually a good match, a color shade. So yeah, it's a clear slime. It's not too stretchy. It's yeah, but it's not that bubble poppy because yeah, I don't want to lie. But it's sort of rippy. It's a rip slime. So yeah, no, it really looks, I don't know why people don't like rip slimes, because I don't need it. Well, yeah. So, I'm going to be trying to cover the camera with slime. Hey guys, welcome back. Now welcome. Okay, was that cool? Let me know. Oh guys. Ooh, I made a bubble. It popped. We're going to try making a bubble that goes up to here in the camera. So, we're going to try to find a slime for that. Because this one is not a good slime for that stuff. But, that type of noise is the squeezy noise. That thing. This does pretty good. Those things for. So, that's it. The next slime I'm going to be trying out is this, it's called chocolate coffee slime, cookies and cream. Last year's slime was very trending. Oh no, this one is the one. It has this is icy slime. Icy slime gets all over the place. It might get in my skincare. It's flaky. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's flaky though. It's yeah. See, it's flaky. It's flaky. See that stuff? It's flaky, guys. Okay, yeah, like that. I don't know. Okay, I'm putting it back in the box before I make a mess, because yeah. So far, we like the first one. Next up, we got this dried up slime. Dried up slime is sort of useless because it's dried up. It's actually not too dried up. Oh, that's satisfying. That's satisfying. Okay, some of them at the top are just not doing well. Anyway, so ASMR. I don't even know if you guys can hear that. But to me, it sounds good. I'm going to try ripping the dried up slime. It's going to sound so satisfying. Okay, so I'm actually not playing with that one anymore because that one had bead fallout messes. So overall, I rate slime very low. Or maybe these are just like too old. Okay, so next time we have this one. It's like a cloud, icy-ish slime. This one is good. It's really good. Like, it makes like bubbles, sort of. Hold on, I'm gonna try to make a bubble back. Okay, sort of. Not really that good, but yeah. It does leave a remnant on your hands. Oh, you see a lot of that on that one. Okay, oh. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna try like making it really fluffy and like, you know how people like do this a lot and it gets like inflated a lot? I'm gonna try doing that. I'm gonna try being those people. Try making it inflated. I don't know why, but I sort of like slime when it's inflated. But it's like easiest to do it to clear slimes. Like see, now it's bubble popping. Hack with clear cloud slimes, you have to like do that. Twist it, squeeze it, then it like does stuff. That's the drizzle for now. Let's see if we can get it more. With any type of slime, I think you have to like inflate it a lot and like do bubble pops. Make it high. Keep on doing this. I think this helps. It's very sizzly slime. Is sizzly slime even a thing? Because if it was, this is sizzly slime. It's not that bad actually. Okay, so this is my favorite. This one and like that lavender-y one. I'm gonna try mixing them. I don't know how it's gonna turn out because I sort of forgot about slime. I don't know, is it called concoctions? Yeah, I forgot how slime works. But we're gonna try, so it's in there right now. If you can see that, yeah, I put it in there. Oh no, it's ripping now. It's rippy. It's rippy. Rippy. Okay, I'm gonna try adding another slime. Adding this slime. Another brown slime. Now it's like adding all of my slime into one slime. Oh, this is big now. This is like a normal slime though. People probably are gonna be like, you think that's big, but it's actually small. Like, yeah, I know that this is actually small because like this is like the normal size for slime, but I just think the normal size is actually pretty big. So, yeah. I don't like how it goes in my nails. Like, look how much, like, ugh. I'm trying to grow my nails, not ruin them right now. Okay, this does not smell that good because it smells like dragon fruit. Clean it and cleaning products. Like, look how good that is. Oh. That's how much gathered up in my nails. Look how much that is. And there's still probably more to this day. So now we're gonna try to do a bubble pop up to like here, since we put a bunch of different slimes in this. Okay, now it's even worse. I thought teamwork made the dream work. Okay, teamwork was supposed to make the dream work. Guys, this is not a dream. Look how much was in my nails. On one hand. I think that one had the most, because, look, it's only that. Whoa. I don't know why I'm playing with this one the most. If I don't like it the most. Like, look at this. I'm going to see how much I can get in my nails. Let's see how much I can get in my nails. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Oh, that looks like a heart. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get more things up so that I could fill the other heart. Cause look, isn't that one half of the heart? And I'm gonna try to just do like random placements. Cause that's what I did for one of them. It's not a heart. Oh no, it just fell, the big clump. But yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's it for my slime video. Yeah, we're done. We're done. Like, Felicia, you're done. Felicia, you're done. We're gonna try and, actually, we're not done. We're gonna try inflating it in this. Like, you know how those people always do that? We're gonna try to be like those slime girlies. But actually, we're gonna like half it. Oh. So it's gonna be like a rotten dragon fruit now. If people ask, what is that? Oh no, it's gonna be a papaya. It's gonna be a papaya. Gonna be a papaya. Gonna be a papaya. I don't know why I decided to play with slime. Like, I never do this. I never do this. Okay, so I'm gonna try to flatten it out. Because right now it sort of looks a bit bumpy. I'm gonna try doing it like this so then I could get all the excess like snow things. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm gonna try putting it on my nails. On my nails. On my nails. Do you see how much that is? And my nails. Okay, I don't know why I keep on putting my nails through the torture. Right, we're gonna like finish putting my nails through the torture. We're supposed to be flattening this. Oh yeah, this works for flattening. We're gonna get a hammer. We're gonna get a hammer. We got this hammer. There. It did its job. Did its job. Told you, hammer never lies. Oh, look how much snow buildup there's right there. Ugh, I don't know why I keep on talking about the snow buildup. Sort of weird, but yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So now we're gonna try fitting it back in here. Oh yeah, I do not want this on the back of my hand. Okay, so yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. See you guys in another better video. Bye!